In this video, I will show how to make a histogram chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select this column, insert. Now click here, then select histogram. So now you have this histogram chart. You can modify and you can change the size, color, whatever you need. Once you make changes here, so it will reflect here. Now once you select it, you can change the name. You can change title position, above or overlay. In fill, you can select solid fill. Once you select it, and you can change gap width. And here you can change more design. Once you click on it, you can select another style. Once you click on this plus icon, you can make changes like date label. You can remove or you can add. You can remove or add grid lines. So this is the basic video to learn how to insert and add histogram in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.